Okay, so we are going to be doing Pomp and Circumstance, number 157 on page 35. And this is for the violin B part, so the second line of the violin part. And we're just going to go over the first four measures for now. Everything is very short. All the notes with dots on them are staccato, so we're going to be super short. And if you look at your key signature, we do not have any sharps, so these will all be F naturals. They'll be low twos for the Fs. Okay, so it starts off on E. It starts off on your first finger on the D string. So you have E, then low two for the F, then back to your E. Then you have third finger on your G string for the Cs. But then B natural will be a high two because it's not a B flat. So this two is a high two. So let's put that together. F naturals will be low twos. B naturals will be high twos. So let's try that from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, and E, then F natural, then E, then to the C, then C, now B natural. All right, good. So now starting on this measure, all the way through the first ending, we're no longer short anymore. These notes are now more legato, so more smooth. They're not so short. The rhythm here, we have what's called syncopated rhythm, where you have that little eighth note and then a quarter and then an eighth. So our first note is a half note. It's a half note C. So you have 1, 2. Then on the next note, it's right on beat 3, but the rhythm is quick, long, quick, long. So it's D, D, F sharp, G. So let's start on the half note on that bar. So it's the last bar of the first line. So you're going to have C, then D, D, F sharp, G. So we'll just go to the first note of the next line. Start on the C. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and we have C, then D, D, F sharp, G, then E, then G. Now here's that rhythm again. F, F, F. So anytime you see that rhythm where it's eighth, quarter, eighth, and then it usually moves to a long note, it's always quick, long, quick, long. All right, let's see if we can put all that together from the beginning all the way up through the end of the first ending, okay? And the first time we play this should be quiet. That little marking at the beginning that says mezzo, piano, dash forte, what that's telling you is the first time you're going to play it quietly, and then when you do the repeat, will be forte. Okay, so this we're just doing the first time through, so this is all gonna be very quiet. Here we go, let's start on the Fs. On the Es. 1, 2, ready, beginning. E, then F, then E, then over to the C, then C, now B natural, now 1, 2, quick, long, now first ending, then quick, long, 2, 3, then you lift, and then it's back to the beginning, but loud this time, okay? So make sure you hold that last note of the first ending for 3 full beats. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, lift, then loud at the beginning. All right, so now let's do the beginning loud, and we're gonna jump to the second ending. So why don't we go over the second ending before we do that? Let's look at the second ending. We start on a C, so low 2 on your A string. You have C, then B, 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 C, C, B, then B flat. And that B flat is kind of an important note in this song. The B line of the violins is the only one who has it really. So let's bring that out. So when you get up to that last measure of the second line, you're gonna play C, C, B, and then really bring out that low 1. It's kind of a cool sounding note. All right, so let's do that much. Let's do the beginning, and we'll pretend it's the second time through, so we'll play it loud. But when we get up to the ending, we're going to jump over to the second ending. So let's try that beginning. 1, 2, ready, and E, then F, then E, then C's, then C. Now be natural. Then C. Now we're going to jump to the second ending. C, B, 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 C, B flat. Yeah. So let's bring out that B flat. Good. So now let's learn the last line. So we have start on an open A, and then again we have that quick, long rhythm. Make sure in the second bar of that you use your fourth finger on the D string. Do not go to open A, because otherwise you'll be skipping from a C and trying to get over to an open A. You don't really want to skip a string. So please use your fourth finger on the D string. Let's start in bar 11, which is our last line, starting on open A. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. And you have A, then G, 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 C. Now our fourth finger, A. Fourth finger again, 2, 3, lift. So make sure you do the lift. All right, good. So now let's look at the last 3 measures that we have. So after you do your lift, you're going to a C natural, which is a low 2 on your A string. So you have C, B, A, G. Then we go over to the C, which is third finger on your G string, and the rhythm is down, up, down. 2, 3, 4, hold it, it's a fermata, and then you let go. So you need to hold it at least 4 beats, more than 4 beats, because there's a fermata over the note. So that means hold it longer than the value that's on there. So let's see if we can do 11 to the end. So that's our last line. 1, 2, ready, and A, G, 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 C. Then the fourth finger, A. 1, 2, 3, lift, C, B, A, G. Then over to the C, down, up, down. 2, 3, 4, hold it, and then let go. All right, let's see if we can put the whole song together now. So first time, quiet. When we do the repeat, loud. Don't forget to jump to the second ending. All right, here we go. 1, 2, beginning, and. So hopefully you got all that. And let's just practice this for next time so we can put all the parts together. All right, thanks a lot. See you soon.